A growing number of students' eyesight are getting weaker. To avoid getting nearsighted, how to protect our eyes still remains a serious question. You can take this advice to protect the eyesight. First of all, when reading, you better not keep your eyes working for a long time. And remember not to read in dim light, in the sun, in a moving bus, or in bed. Besides, you should keep the book about a foot away from you when writing. It's noting that you better have a rest by working, and look forward into the distance to get your eyes relaxed. To protect our eyes better, try to use less electric products except to learn. What's more, keep doing eye exercises. Last but not least, take more exercise in spare time and be exposed to green plants. In a word, only in this way can we protect our eyesight.